Hello, my name is Oscar Carmona. I'm owner of Healing Grounds Nursery located in Goleta, California. Now I'd like to talk about planting tomatoes sideways. Planting a tomato on its side is a technique that you can use to stimulate further root development and to induce a strengthening of the main trunk and the branching parts of the tomato, and therefore create a stronger plant for supporting the fruit development. Tomatoes are in the same family with potatoes, and the thing about that family is that the buried parts of the plant, be it the stem or the root system itself, will stimulate further root growth. I think it's important to consider the use of indeterminate varieties, which are trailing varieties and lend themselves to elongated growth. The best way to go about planting a tomato on its side would be to first plant it in the ground and to allow the plant to start to grow. It's important to allow the plant to stabilize in the ground upon initial transplanting and let the plant grow to be about 2 feet long. Once the plant has sufficiently grown, you can then start to bend the plant down to the ground, and where the limb touches the ground, you can start to bury that at about 2 to 3 inches. The plant will always want to grow towards the sky, after which point the parts that have been buried will have developed roots and create even a stronger branching and main trunk development. This is Oscar Carmona from Healing Grounds Nursery, and I just explained to you how to grow tomato plants sideways.